So good morning. We have this very nice patient who we're about to do, probably in about 10 minutes, we're going to start a hair transplantation procedure. We do a great deal of hair transplantation procedures here in our practice. And we do a whole spectrum from standard sort of male pattern baldness to things like beards and brow transplants and what have you. And so this wonderful patient had a very specific sort of goal in mind in terms of what wanted to achieve. So please tell us a little bit about that and why you thought we would be a good choice for you.
Well, so I'm planning to transition from male to female, and so naturally having male pattern hair loss doesn't really mesh well with that.
I hear you.
So of course, I've been looking for a long time for hair transplant things, but a lot of them sort of cater, very much to men. There's a lot of that sort of culture.
Sort of that dude culture with right, 'cause it's most of their business, I understand.
Right. And it's don't want to fault them for that, but it can be a little isolating, alienating, and it's a little scary too, because for how much trust you have to put in to a surgeon.
Right.
Really want to go to somebody who's gonna have whatever political issues.
Understood. We live in America, right?
Yeah.
That's right, sure.
So, it was a sort of. I had a long time just sort of looking around and couldn't find much where I really felt like I would be comfortable.
Right.
Until I found this place with your website and the fact that you explicitly mentioned male to female patients online.
Right.
Sort of made me feel like, okay, this is going to be an operation I can trust, or at least won't kick me out or
kick you out,
do something horrible.
What you've said is deeply meaningful, and I truly appreciate it. Your situation, of course, is specific, but a lot of our patients, you can imagine, we do facial plastic surgery here, and this is about coming in and changing something about, your looks. And there's a ton of patients, whether it's what you're referring to, or just, geez, my family will judge me, my friends, society will judge me. And we feel super strongly that kick you out, the opposite. We're honored to have you. Absolutely. And we're honored to take care of all of our patients. You used a lot of great words. There's trust, right? You have to trust in a surgeon. Not that fixing your hip, if you need a hip replacement, is not a big deal. That is a big deal in my mind. But we're doing something where, whether it's for yourself or anybody, we're altering sort of the shape and appearance of your face. It's not even a tummy tuck, right? I mean, you can always hide your tummy tuck if you don't like the scar. But we're altering the shape and the context and how you present yourself to the world. And that's an incredibly personal thing. And we have to earn that trust. And certainly step one in earning that trust is making perfectly clear that you're our patient, and not only is there no lack of judgment, we're honored to take care of you. And so, in any case, I really appreciate that. We do a lot of these videos, but I think this one touched on something really important. And so we'll get started with this case. It's going to be a fantastic case, and we will do our uppermost to take good care of you. Okay?
All right.
All right, absolutely fantastic.